Hey, so you want to know how to make teams on Hack2Skill? Well, okay. First, get your link for registration. I am using the one from GDG. Click accept on cookies, yum yum. Next, click register. Now in this place, log into your account from Google or by entering your email. Enter the OTP. Click on register now once more. Now remember that every team member has to register first, then they can join your teams. Now enter your name, email, WhatsApp number, date of birth and some other categories that you might have. Now click on agree for both the things. Now register. Now on this page scroll down and you will see a timeline. Now click on either team management or team formation. Okay, now on this page, you will get two options, create teams or join public teams. This step is for the team lead. Click on create team. Okay, a pop-up has appeared. Enter the team name. My team name is Team Cats. Yeah, next if you want you can choose a description or a picture. Yay! Now click on create. Okay, you created your team successfully and need members. There are two options to add your team members, by a link or by email. I am going to choose invite by a link. Send the link to your friend. So now I am in the friends view or my teammates panel. They should also register for the hackathon and should not be in any other team. If they are, they should leave. After clicking on the link, it should say request sent. Now go back to the team lead view. Refresh the page. And scroll down to the invites tab. There should be a new entry. Click on action, then click accept and it should be accepted. You can repeat the previous steps and recruit all the members that you need. So yeah, that's it.